This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set seat Mazda CX-5, updated. Start by sitting upright and locating the manual or power controls on the side of the seat. Slide the seat forward until you can fully depress the brake without locking your knee, then set the seat height for good sight lines. Adjust the backrest angle to support your spine and check mirror positions before driving. Sit comfortably and test lumbar adjustments in small increments to find natural spine alignment. If using power lumbar, press briefly and assess support after each change to avoid stiffness. For manual systems, twist slowly and feel for firm support under your lower back. Combine lumbar settings with backrest angle so your shoulders relax and your headrest stays centered, improving comfort on long drives. After seat tweaks, adjust mirrors and steering wheel to reduce head motion and blind spots. Make fine seat adjustments to ensure you can reach all controls without strain and that your wrists rest comfortably on the top of the steering wheel. Perform a short walk-around to ensure visibility and clearance, then test drive slowly to confirm comfort and control before hitting busy roads or long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.